Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on cones, cylinders and spheres. Cones. As stated in an earlier video, a cone is similar to a pyramid. It is not a pyramid in the strict sense because it has a circle for a base and it has a curved side instead of triangles. Now this is the net of a cone. That is a flat surface made up of different shapes, and when that's folded up, that will give you a cone. And here are some examples of cones in real life. The ice cream cone, the safety cone that you see on roads, and the party hat. Cylinders. A cylinder is similar to a prism. It is not a prism in the strict sense because it has a circle for a base and it has a curved side instead of rectangles. Here's the net of a cylinder, and when you fold that up you will get this object here. Some cylinders in real life. We have the very famous can, and you can put food in there or anything else. This could represent a pipe, for example, and that's hollow, or it could represent, say, a roll of paper, but it doesn't have to have the hollow part in the center. And you can also have this candle. So these are all examples of cylinders. Spheres. A sphere is like a ball. It's very hard to represent in a 3D as a 3D object because of the drawing, but here I've done my best with this picture, and I think you can see that that looks like a 3D object, and so does this one too. Now the net of a sphere, you can't actually do it because of the very tricky design of a sphere. It's very hard to actually make a flat net. As for spheres in real life, many of like the basketball or the football, as in soccer, okay, they're spheres. The world famous game of snooker, the balls that you use are spheres. And the marbles, many of the marbles we use for our games are also spheres.